I searched high and low for the perfect LED medicine cabinet for our bathroom renovation, and this seems to be it. I am so excited. I was sent this one from Buruis to review. I am so impressed with how well this shipped. I was expecting one of the mirrors to be smashed or whatever, but it just came perfectly. They had all the corners protected. They had great styrofoam over it. Amazing, amazing, amazing. We got the 20 by 28 size with the left hinge, but you can get other sizes, wider, taller, etc. And you can also get with the right hinge. It's gorgeous. This is the black. If you have it sticking out, like if you have it mounted on the wall, you're gonna have the beautiful black. We're gonna try to do ours recessed. Here is where you're gonna hook it up to the electricity. Shelves. And then these are gonna be supporting your internal shelves. Gorgeous hinges. Everything looks amazing. There is where the electricity is going from the frame into the front for the light and the defogger and all of that action. At the top, you're gonna have an outlet so you can plug something into here. You've got 2 USB ports and then the on-off button. So, wow. So here she is fully installed. Our contractor put her completely in the wall. Looks gorgeous. There is like a small black frame, which is perfect because we have a black accessory bathroom. Then you turn on the light here. It's a good amount of brightness. I wouldn't call it really a good for makeup and stuff on its own, but together with the overhead, then you've got really great lights. So don't skip an overhead vanity for this. You can adjust the temperature. That's the coolest, the warmest, and the kind of natural lighting. If you hold this, you can turn off the display, the time and temperature. And then if you hold the power button, you can dim the brightness. Just great. And then here is your defogger. When you take a shower, turn it on before you start the shower. Yeah. So that is how it looks when it's off if you have the display on. And then if you turn the display off, those lights are always on, just FYI. And then going inside, this light automatically comes on when you open it. You've got a mirror on both the inside and the door inside. 3 glass shelves. It's just gorgeous and really, really great. I have heard that they're coming out with new models and stuff. Some of them have different options here or don't have what I have, so just watch this video with a grain of salt and be careful to know what model you're getting and what it has versus what I'm showing you. But this is the one I have and I love it.